Hello viewers, today I will show the working of else, if and else if. Okay, so first we will talk about if. Now suppose you have to check whether the user is valid for voting or not. So we will make a condition that age should be greater than 18. Then its vote will be counted. So we can declare a variable as age, and this we have to take from a user. So input, enter your age, enter your age, and it will also be typecasted into integer, because by default input method will take its parameter as its string, so it has to be typecasted into integer. Now we will check by simply writing if age is greater than 18, then we can write print eligible to vote. Okay, now run this code. Enter your age 19, eligible to vote. Now suppose if a user enters 16, then it will not give any output, because we haven't created else condition, that if this condition is false, so this is the body of if the condition is true, then this body will be executed. If condition is false, then it do nothing. So 14 C, no output. So we have to create else also. For this we will create else. In else we will write not eligible to vote. Enter your age 16. See, not eligible to vote. So this is a if and else. Now if we want to check multiple if else, then we can also use elif. Elif is a short form of else if. If age is greater than 18, then print not eligible to vote. Now we will again check else if age is greater than 0 and age is less than 18, less than or equal, less than 18, then not eligible. And third condition will be else enter valid. Now suppose a user inputs -5, then what will happen? Age will be checked here. If age is greater than 18, no. 5 is not greater than 18, then second if will be checked. If -5 is greater than 0, no. So both condition has to be true. So this if is also not executed, then it goes in this else. Now print enter valid age. So it will show the error message that your age is not valid. Run. See, suppose we have given age -5, then enter valid age. It is going in third block, and suppose age is 14, then not eligible to vote. And age is 18, then greater than 18. It should be less than equal to 18. Greater than equal to 80. Age is 18, eligible to vote. Okay. So in this manner, if else if is executed. Okay. Condition is true, then first case. If it is not true, then condition second is checked, this second block. If it is true, then this block will be executed. And if both are false, then in remaining cases, this else will be executed.